out. See the geese and shell for flight, flapping and racing on before the snow. They've got the urge for going, and they've got the wings so they can go. They get the urge for going when the meadow grass is turning brown and summertime is falling down and winter's closing in. Apply the fire with kindling now. I'll pull the blankets up to my skin. I like the vagrant winter out, and I'll fold my wandering in. I'd like to call back summertime, have her stay for just another month or so. But she's got the urge for going, and I guess she has to go. She gets the urge for going when the meadow grass is turning brown and all her empires are falling down when winter's closing in. And I get the urge for going when the meadow grass is turning brown, summertime is falling down. Station, I'm a little bit corny, I'm a wild flower waving for you, broadcasting tower waving for you, and I'm sending you out this signal here. I hope you can pick it up loud and clear. I don't like weak women, you get bored so quick, and you don't like strong women cause they're hip to your tricks. It's been dirty for dirty down the line, but you know I come when you whistle, when you're loving and kind. But if you've got too many doubts, if there's no good reception for me, then tune me out, cause honey, who needs the static? It hurts the head and you wind up cracking, and the day goes dismal from breakfast bunny to the sign of prayer. What a sorry face you get to wear. I'm gonna tell you again now, if you're still listening there. If you're driving into town with a dark cloud above you, dialing the number who's bound to love you. If you're lying on the beach with the transistor going, kick up the sand, flies only the love still flowing. If your head says forget it, but your heart's still smoking, call me at the station, the lines are open. and flows of angel hair and ice cream castles in the air, feathered canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun, the rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds, illusions that I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel in every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show. You leave them laughing when you cry, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's love's illusions that I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus crowds. I've looked at life that way, but now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads and they tell me that I've changed. Well, something's lost and something's gained in living every day. I've looked at life from both sides now, from winning clues, and still somehow it's life's illusions that I recall. I really don't know life at all. It's life's illusion illusions that I recall. I really don't know life. I really don't know